Hello, guys. How are you? Welcome, welcome, welcome. Okay, so we are here to show you the last news of WeCoin. So give me just 1 second. Okay, so now you can hear me in YouTube and also in Telegram. So if you're there, let me know if you can hear me clearly. And we will start with this AMA. Just give me 1 second to find. You can follow us on YouTube in order to see the presentation that I was about to show. Okay. 1 second. Okay. Hello everyone. A lot of people connected right now. Yeah. Okay. So let me find. Okay. Okay. What's up, guys? Okay. I'm just trying to. Do you see my screen right now? Please let me know if you see my screen right now. No, you don't see it. Okay, let me see what's wrong. In order to, okay. Okay. So Abram is from the team. Please let me know ASAP to share the presentation because now people on they cannot see it. Abram, are you there? Okay. I will explain this project, but the problem that I'm having here is that I cannot show you the presentation. That this is that's something that you need to see. So give me 1 second, please. Well, guys, I'm waiting for the designer to show me, but we will start with this, okay? So what is WISET for those that didn't be around the project since 2 months that we start with WeCoin, that we launched the tokens 2 months ago, was 8th of May. We launched the token, and basically tomorrow there's 2 months going live with this token, and we have reached a new ATH of $2.2 million on market cap. So this is very amazing because we have a lot of people coming to the project, a lot of people that believe in the real world assets. Because remember that our project is based on real world assets. Our background is as a developer. We started this project because we are developers in Mexico. We build buildings, we build houses, we build condos, and then we have also the knowledge of the technology, of DeFi, of crypto, of Web3. And we have a good team, a very good team with 4 guys, very, very good guys. It's Jeff, he's Canadian. He knows a lot of things. He's a very great guy, and he's our COO. Then we have Eric and Mando. Those guys are terrific. They are the coders and they are the devs of the project. And also there's Abram and more people that we have on the office. But right now we are developing a lot. So these people deserves a lot of credit also. So I am going to show you, I'm going to talk about this. So my designer just answered to share the screen. Okay. The dashboard, share screen. Okay, come share. No, it's share. Share the link, not the screen. It is not available, but well, I'm going to explain it to you. Okay, so what we are doing right now is to give you the info of WeSet, because that's the main thing about WeSet and Wecoin. Okay, so tokenization for property owners. That's our main project, tokenization for property owners. So you can let me know if you can see the presentation right now. Please give me your comments there. Yeah, this is a technical problem because it was set before and now we can't. Okay. What's the tokenization for property owners? Well, WeSet is a very big company that has a very big vision and a value proposition for the market, because we want to make investment access to the world-class assets through the internet, because it is comfortable, it's easy, and it's as easy as you buy a subscription on the internet. You can buy fractional properties just with your credit card, debit card, or crypto, as easy as that. And to do that, we need an infrastructure to do it, that it is a BaaS, blockchain as a service. This is the technology that we use in order to tokenize the properties and sell it online, okay? And our goal is to simplify the process for any developer or any property owner who has luxury assets or any assets that want to save time, because you don't need the paperwork that you always need to buy a property, or maybe you don't have enough money, your budget is not enough to buy a property, so you can buy just a fraction of this property. And Visit is also making a real world asset marketplace to do this. We have 3 different locations where we are setting. Our headquarters are in Mexico, in Playa del Carmen. Then we have Canada, and we have also El Salvador right now. El Salvador is a very good place because we have the laws that give us all the benefits to make this worldwide. So El Salvador also give us the option to exchange crypto, Bitcoin in this case, for dollar. That it is the second currency there. So we are also in El Salvador with a company, and we have all the regulation for the Salvador law there. So it is very difficult to have that because we need a lot of paperwork, but we have it right now. Our team is made by me as a CEO. My name is Nadim, and I've been working on these development programs like more than 20 years. I have more than 20 years on experience developing more than 20,000 square meters in Riviera Maya, here in Playa del Carmen, in Cancun, and in Tulum, if you hear those names. And I am the founder and CEO of Visit. I am the president of the Latin American Tokenization Association. You can find it on altoken.org. We are successfully complete the Founder Institute Batch Mexico, and we are awarded at the PropTech LATAM 2023 for the best fintech solution application for real estate. So we have really a good background, and we use all this knowledge to build Visit. Then we have 2 different business models on Visits. Remember that Visit is the project and Wecoin is the token. So Visit.io is the web page that you will find all the information, and Visit.app is the page where you can buy the fractional properties. So we have 2 different business models. We have properties, a marketplace where people can buy the fractional properties, and we charge a percentage for these fractional properties. And then we have the B2C, the B2B model. That the B2B model, we go for the business and rent them the technology with a subscription, and also we have a commission for each sale we get on our marketplace. Okay, so we have 2 different business models, one for B2C, one for B2B. And successfully now we are having a lot of response from the companies, and we are closing deals with them as we speak. So that's B2B and B2C models. And the revenue is 5% of commission of each sale we have on the platform, because we are renting the platform to the developers. And also we have a subscription for the developers for each year, for each property. Okay, as a SaaS, software as a service. In this case is blockchain as a service. But also this model has a good thing for the Wecoin, because we are merging the 2 different things. So what we do is, when we sell a property in the platform, in the Visit app, okay, we sell one NFT. This NFT represents one fraction of this property. This NFT give us 5% of commission. From this 5% of commission, we will take 20% of the profits, and we divide it 10%, half of it goes to the liquidity pool, and half of it goes to the burn. It goes to burn. So we are increasing the value of the token because we are also buying the token, and then we get liquidity, and on the other hand, we burn the other side. Okay? So each sale of the NFTs, of the fraction of the property we do on the platform, will benefit the WeCoin token. Okay, that's very important you to know. So I'm gonna make a little stop here to read some comments, some questions that you have, because this is a lot of information. So Easy's 100 market cap. Yeah, we hope to go there very fast. In 2 months, we reached 2 million. Yeah, and we are a solid company, and with this different tokenomics and this different methodology to increase the value of the token, will get you there. We'll get us there. When will the Wecoin blockchain testnet start? Okay, we don't have a blockchain. We are a layer 2 token. We run through BNB network. Okay, so we don't have our blockchain. We don't need a blockchain. That's a lot of different. That's a lot of cost. That's a lot of development. We want to take the technology already exists and go and do other things for another niche. Okay. I hope that before listing on the top tier market, Wecoin blockchain mainnet has been launched, and the listing also specifically is Launchpad even on the exchange. Well, as I told you, there is no blockchain for Wecoin, and in order to list for the CAX, yeah, it's on our goals. But right now we want to have big foundations. Okay, we don't want to run there right now. We need first to have good foundations. Okay, what blockchain framework do you recommend? I mean, there's a lot of good ones, but right now we are working with Polygon and the Matic token. Yeah, because of cost of transactions. You know, if we start doing with Ethereum, but any transaction is very expensive. That's something that I don't like about Ethereum. Are real property values linked to WISET and buyback to buyback WECO from property rental sale fee? Okay, yes, that's what I explained. 20% of the profits of the WISET company for each NFT, each fraction of the property sold, goes to the liquidity pool. 10% of that, I mean 0.5% of that, and the other 0.5% will burn. Okay. Do you have a plan to have Wecoin to ADA? And we have a plan to have this token converter, so you can buy with any coin that you want. Also with Wecoin that will be released in a short time. How is the stablecoin development from WECO? Okay, guys, the stablecoin that we in the beginning started talking about, that I think is not going to go through, because to do a stablecoin is very complicated. This guy give us some code, we pay for some code that we tested, and it is not working well. And I am not going to give you some token that I don't trust it. I am not going to put my people in a problem. I am going to give you certainty 100% of that. Okay. So if this is not good, I am not launching something just because I want to launch and to have income to do a liquidity or other things. It is not. So right now it is not working about the stable development of Wecoin. Any plan for partnership? Yes. We are working with a lot of different tokens and companies to partnership on the crypto area, and also on the area of developers. We have a lot of different partnership with a lot of developers, big developers here in Mexico. Does WECO intend to reduce total supply and increase future value through the business of renting, selling from real property. Yes, as I say, we are going to burn for each property we sell. So that will reduce the supply. A lot of books. Did you read of them? Did you my favorite book? I love to read. I love to read, but no, I haven't read all of this. This is also a library from my grandfather, so my father-in-law. So I love to read, but this aren't mine. He's a neurologist doctor, so he needs to read a lot. Will you list token on Bitmart? Yeah, we will list it in the best in the tier one CAX, but we give the time to do it. How about WECO's table? I already. And will you start again the raffle? About the raffle, guys, we didn't have the response for the people. I don't know if we didn't communicate well, but at the end, we want to focus on the token right now. So we are focused on the token because we are seeing that we are going very, very fast. So we have to focus on this, okay? So what happened to the investor that bought WECO because of the stablecoin? Yukisora, you bought WECOin with the price at that time, I think was market cap of $250,000. Now it's $1,050,000. You won a lot. That's what I can tell you. You won a lot. You do like 5 or 6 times your money. No, so I'm happy that you do that because now you have more money. And if you wait, and you will see what we are going to develop in the next months. How are we going to expand into worldwide business? Do you guys have to buy properties first? No, our business model is very similar as Uber, for example. We take the business owners or the developers, they put their properties online. We charge them to put it online. And then people come and buy a fraction of these properties. We don't buy the properties. We are an interface for those people to get the product and the service, okay? And yes, first year is in Mexico. I mean, first year is here in Riviera Maya and all the Tulum, Cancun. Second year is principal cities in Mexico. Third year is globally starting with US, okay? Then how are we going to spend? Okay, football. I saw top one wallet 2 times. Send the token to another wallet, each 1%, which is big and can dump the price. Which will you stop spread that token to another wallet? It is bad. Okay, I'm going to tell you why we do this on the tokenomics that we will continue. But those are tokenomics. We are not just sending token because we want it or because we wanted to change. No, there's a reason, and there's tokenomics that you can also check on the main page, because we need also for the tokenomics, we need also for marketing, for lawyers, for development, and I will explain you this later. But what we do won't move any of the market because we do it very good. Good to see you work, Mr. Nadim. We'll join you for long. Thank you very much. Expansion properties on other countries. Yes, I already tell it. Any planning to add more liquidity? Sir, right now we are like 10% liquidity, and all of the purchases we have on the platform will increase the liquidity. And also with the burn, that will be better. Yuki Sora bought since day one, so you're a whale now. WECO will be the only token for transaction in the apps. No, we will accept a lot of different tokens. But if you have WECO, you have benefits on the platform. Benefits as better price, first on shows, new places. Also, we are going to release staking, a staking process that also I will take you in a while. I will tell you more in a while. Any more for reward holders? Yeah, let me just get there. Do you have any other properties planned to the app of the near future? We have right now we have more than 20 properties. Yeah. Now that we have everything done, we are going to start releasing the properties. You targeting expand project to overseas? Yes. Which country first? US. Any idea of open WeChat in another country? Yes. About the staking? Okay. So let me show you. Give me 1 second. Okay. Let me continue with the presentation. Okay. So what are the benefits, or what are we doing right now? Okay, we tokenize, or company tokenize properties, assets, because it's not just properties. We can tokenize land, we can tokenize a yacht, we can tokenize car, we can tokenize any asset you can imagine, digital or physical asset. Okay, so that is the potential of this platform. So we tokenize, we sell online. You can pay with crypto or with credit debit card. We manage the reservations for the properties, and then we give return of investment to the people. It is very easy for the companies to upload and configure the properties because we custom white level property page. So they will be able, any developer, to have in their own domain their own page to sell fractional properties, just customized by WeChat. And we will charge them percentage of each sale. So they are the ones in charge of selling their own properties. Okay, so that's a very good thing for WeChat because our client becomes in our seller, because they are going to sell the properties for them and give us 5% of each sale. So that's a very good business model, if you can see it. When we customize these properties, we can tell the developer what's the duration they want to sell the properties, what kind of fraction is it weeks, months, just one single certificate for one property. Yeah, they can customize anything, and they have a lot of different benefits for this. They don't have to invest in new technology, they just rent our technology. And the user experience that we have with these two guys, Eric and Mando, in the team, it's amazing. They are very good guys. They are always with new knowledge, and for me, those guys are the best of the company. So now I'm going to talk you a little bit of the marketing strategy, okay? So now we want to focus on the US because we have a lot of interest of capitalists and investors for tokenizing service there. Then we want also to focus on the Arabic region. Dubai is one of the most upcoming crypto-friendly areas, and we need to be there. And also, we want to focus on Asia because a lot of our investors come from Asia. So I want to thank you because our statistics tell us that a lot of people from Asia are on the peak of the charts that we have. All the data shows that a lot of people from Asia are coming to buy Wecoin. So let's talk about a little bit the liquidity pool strategy. Okay, so remember, we are going to release the staking platform about 2 months or less, maybe less. And the staking platform will give you the option to stake your Wecoins in order to have benefits. Okay, and we will let you know in a future, short future, how can you do this. It is very easy, and how much can you earn for this. And remember that when we do staking on a token, we give more strength to the token, because there's less supply, so the price goes up. Okay, so now let's talk a little bit of tokenomics, because there's a lot of different questions here. But first, let me read the last questions. Hello, thanks for the AMA. You're welcome. By the way, how high target price for 1 WECO in 5 years? we hope to have for $1, right? Why not? Certic audit already complete. I cannot see the results. You can check okay. There's two things on the audit of Certic, okay? So Certic can audit and gives you the problems that they find on the token, because we have this company. We hired the company to give us the token. So when they give us the token, we don't know if the token has backdoors or anything else. So we take this code and we send it to the audit with Certic. Certic told us, look, this token has these different problems, okay? Not major problems. That's the problem. The biggest problem is that it is all centralized in one wallet, and if you got hacked of the wallet, you will have problems. So we solved that with a 2-signature wallet, okay? And the other problem that we have was just like different things, small things that we just change it. So we've been certified, we've been audited by Certic. Then if you want to have a number 1 to 10, that's another thing with them, and you need to pay to get it, okay? Because we pay 10 grand, 10K for the small audit. For the small audit with them, 10K. Once we see that the token was correct, okay, we continue. If we want to do another one, we need to pay another 10K in order to have just a number that we don't need it right now, okay? That's how Certic works. What WECO condition is listed on Tier 1 exchange? We are not there yet. We want to get bigger, bigger foundations of the company. Will you bridge to another chain? Yes, we will. Blessed is also the best. Yes, Blessed is part of the project, and this guy is a master, okay? This guy he has a lot of knowledge. He's very wise, and he's very intelligent, and this guy is looking for give you guys better results of the token. This guy barely sleep. This guy is a machine. He sleeps like 2-3 hours a day, and he works all day in order to have the best of the token. Can you work with the CEO of Binance to work together for the real estate asset NFT marketplace in the future? I would love it, yes. Query to Blessed, he did a great job, yes. Asian Lover Crypto, yeah. Asian, the biggest real estate in China. Yeah, Asian is the biggest real estate chain, yeah. Dubai, Hong Kong, China, USA, yes. Will you extend the lock of LP? Yes, we will. What are these Moonboy questions? I don't understand it. Please ask one admin who named Rupuller this field scammer. Yeah, okay. So let's go back to the presentation. Okay. So for the tokenomics, okay, we have 100% of the tokens that will spread in the next in these allocations. Okay, so 40%, 46% is on the token sale. Right now, 46% is on the market. So some of you guys are whales, some of you are now buying, but 46% is allocated in the market. 15% will be allocated on the reward pool. 15% on the reward pool. 2 months that we start with this, September is the month that we are going to implement this reward pool. 50% will be open for these people that is make staking. Yeah. Then development, we have allocation of 10% of development for the continuous develop of the platform. This is technology. 6% for the partnership that we are going to introduce and we are going to do with different companies. 4% for legal. 4% for liquidity. Okay. 9% for marketing. And 6% for the reserve. 6% for the reserve means that we will have this bunch of tokens ready for the listing on a centralized exchange. Okay. And also, we will release this depending on the need of the company for example, partners, legal, liquidity. And that's another thing that we do. Answering the question, I don't know who did it, about the changing token for another wallet. We increased liquidity 1 week ago. If you can see the blockchain, we increased liquidity and we needed Wecoins in order to do it. So we moved these Wecoins, but we put it on the liquidity pool. And if you see now, we are about $100,000 or $90,000, $100,000 on liquidity on the platform. And remember that our market cap is almost half of what we have right now. We are waiting for CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko to change the numbers. It is no fast process because we needed to send them the spreadsheet about all the different percentage investing, and after that they will review it and they will change it. So we are in that process, but we have a very good amount of tokens in the liquidity pool. Okay, so right now, guys, okay, airdrop. By the way, sir, maybe any resume from Ama, just the point like example. The liquidity pool with extend focus market is US. Okay, yeah, you're correct. I'm going to give you an just let me just finish with the roadmap that it is. Right now, we have Web3, Web2 project done. We have a blockchain as a service, Wecoin IDO ready, credit card payments for NFTs ready. Then on the Q3, launch market peer-to-peer marketplace, okay? The user dashboard enhancements and the full AirDNA integration. Then we go for Q4 on 2023. Rental income, features on NFT, custodial wallet integration, defined token utility. And on the first of the 2024, we have the expansion on Mexico, fractionalizing another assets, and financial, the collateral service also with the NFTs. You guys on the chat on the Telegram, if you have some question, please just let me know. Not only hear me, so you can ask me anything the moment you want. You have open mic.
Can you tell me if there will be token unlocks?
Yeah, this is last shot. Can you repeat the question, please?
Yeah, what's the schedule for token unlocks?
Okay. I cannot show you because I can show you my screen, but let me tell you. Reward pool will start unlock about August of this year, August, September, final of August, initial of September. And it depends, it will be continuous. Percentage for this is 15%, and it will be continuous depending how much people lock for the staking. Okay. Then development is started from the last month and start every month. Legal is about from September each month, and marketing also from this month, last month, and every month. Those are percentage about 1% monthly for the next months. Okay, that's the only three concepts that it is continuously, because all the other ones are locked. Do I answer your question?
Yes, thank you very much for that.
Thank you. So if we have another guy who wants to say something on the Telegram, come on, or on the yeah.
So great job, and great project. However, I have an issue with a part of your project where it says an unlocked wallet is holding 25.72% of the LP. I just really need clarification on that. That's just the only thing that I think I just need to be clear about. Thank you.
Again. Wait. Again, you need clarification of the wallet.
Okay. Yes, because it's an unlocked wallet holding 25.72% of the liquidity pool. If you still on, if you.
Oh yeah, the last one that we changed it. Okay, we changed it.
Yes.
We changed it. We have liquidity with AVAX and with another token that we changed it and put it with BNB, 25%. That's what that you say, right?
Yes.
By the end of the day, we'll be locked. Don't worry about that.
Well, thank you very much. Thank you.
Yeah.
I hope to introduce my friends to the project as well. Thank you for that clarification.
Thank you for believing this project and for being here. Okay, let's see. We have another question here. Was the latest addition on LP already locked, Sir Nadim? 25%. 25% of the liquidity pool, and as Emperor told us, we are going to lock it. This 25% that we just did it yesterday, I think. Okay, so let me. Does WECO love, favor, or back WECO? Does WECO I don't understand. This is your question. Okay, so now let me give you a resume of this presentation, right? Because we are talking 45 minutes and some of you just arrived. Okay, so Lucky Black Cat, are you going to ask something? Okay, so first, we are a stable company with 3 different locations: Mexico, Canada, El Salvador. Okay, on El Salvador, we have license to do business with Bitcoin law. There's a Bitcoin law, and also there's a virtual asset law. We are able to do all on those two, okay, because our company is allowed to do business with those two. Then we have these companies. I have a background. Give me 1 second. Okay, I have a background on real estate for more than 20 years. We have a very good team with high top developers. They work worldwide, they study worldwide, and they are the best on what they do. We have also one COO, Jeff, Canadian, used to work with the government of Canada, and he's also one of our top guys in the company. So we have here Eric. Eric is one of the developers. So Eric, please, you can introduce you and have a brief talk with the people that are listening to you.
Hey team, can you hear me?
Yeah, come on.
Yeah, nice. So my name is Eric. I'm one of the developers of VSET. We've been working on this for a while now. I've been in the company for almost a year. And yeah, we're excited. The project is growing steadily. We're amazed on the support you guys have given us. Right now, I'm attending GS Barcelona, a hackathon, to get my skills better and get to know more hackers and more people in Web3 to support resets. Not just Wecoin, but the project itself. Like, we do want to revolutionize taxer worldwide, not only in Mexico. So, yeah, here we are, fully doxed. You can ask us anything. I'm in the Telegram group. I'm on Twitter. And I'm here to solve your questions, guys.
Excellent, Eric. Thank you very much. And also, I think Jeff is there. So Jeff, come on and show your face on there as you go. So Jeff, give us a little introduction, who you are, why are you with us in WISET, please?
Hey, can you see me and hear me?
I can hear you, see you, yeah.
Okay. So yeah, as you said, I have about 10 years experience as a project manager, and what I love about this project is how dynamic and progressive and forward thinking it is, like how innovative it is. So my experience and my challenges continue to be advancing so quickly in terms of many areas. Like, so this project involves legal complications, it involves business development, it involves accounting, and of course it involves programming and marketing. And all of these like line items or these areas must move like in synchronization and must sort of all make sense together, must move together, must move on time, must move under budget. And probably what I love about this job is that I'm always learning about the newest technology, And I feel like we are building the future of tokenization, the future of real estate, the future of investing, and the future of economics as we build, our coin and our utility token. So, as Eric said, I'm always open to talk to the community as we continue to grow our team. There's been talk about like DAOs and different ways to sort of really more formalize community impact, and that's something that's on our roadmap. Nadim, I don't know if you.
Yeah. Yes, I mean, right now we don't. We want to introduce people, introduce the team, introduce the company, and this information about what is WISET, what are we going, what is WeCoin. It is very basic for people to know what are the next goals for WeCoin. Okay, because all of this is for people that is investing in a token, but the token is just a result of a company. So in order to the token go up and go beyond that, we need to figure it out on the company how to make a billion company. So one of our major goals of the company is to make a unicorn of the company. So you guys that believe in us, we will show you that this company will increase in value, a lot increase in value, and this company is going to be the next unicorn in the real world assets. Okay, there's not enough companies right now on this sector, and we are one of the best in Mexico. So we will be one of the best here, and then we go to US and worldwide. We have all the team, we have all the experience, we have all the knowledge, and now we have your support. So with your support and with all the knowledge that we have, we are going to grow this as hell. With this guy, Eric, Mando, Jeff, Abram, all the team that are in WECO, all the law team, and a lot of things that you cannot see here. It's a bunch of people, a bunch of work that we are doing in order to have a better and big company that we can just becoming a unicorn in the next years. And I'm not talking about 10 years. I'm talking about less years. We have all that we need. We have all that needs to get there. So we just need you to believe in us and stay with us, and you will see the results. And I think that's for all. That's all for today. This AMA will be on YouTube. If you want to share it, please tell your friends, show to your friends. We are a company based on Mexico and another 2 different countries, but also we want to be globally. So we are on the path to be there. Thank you very much for your time. Thank you very much for being here with us, for believing us, for believing the token, for believing in the project. And we will have more of this AMA on the next weeks, because we want to be together with the people that believes in us. Okay. So thank you very much, guys. Thank you, team, Eric, Jeff. Thank you for being here. And we will see you guys very soon.